Shadows are falling, and I've been here all day. It's too hard to sleep in, time is running away. Feels like my soul has turned into steel. Still got the scars there, the sun didn't heal. There's not even room enough to be anywhere. It's not dark yet, but it's getting there. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Saw Things again with you with hopefully another interesting little lesson for you. This is a classic song from Bob Dylan called Not Dark Yet. Okay, this is a simplified version. Obviously there's lots of guitars on the original version and lots of echoes and reverbs and going on, so it makes it very sort of atmospheric, so to speak. But this is a single guitar version, and I'm trying to play it with no bar chords, okay, to make it somewhat easier. Okay, so I'm playing in standard tuning, but capoed at fret 4. Puts us into the same key as Bob Dylan, but no bar chords as such. Okay, so it starts off with this sort of intro. The way I've done it anyway, just to make it as simple as I can for one guitar. So basically, I'll strum a C chord. Then there's this little riff which runs all the way through the song, and that's basically the 2nd fret on the 4th string there, hammering up to the 3rd fret with pinky. Okay, so just playing the 2nd fret of the 4th up to the 3rd fret on the 4th with pinky, and then back to the 2nd fret. You can just hammer up and pull off if you want, like that, and then you play the open 3rd string. And that goes all the way through the song, that little riff. Okay, so it's, you can play it as single notes if you want, but I think it sounds better if you do a hammer and pull off. Okay. Then what I do is a quick F, and now you can play a simple F like that, and then you do an F major 7th, lift up the bar on the 1st finger so the toppy string is open, and then back to the C. So it's, so what I do that, so when you've done that, I tend to play the 3rd on the 5th again, and then a little quick strum, yeah, and then a quick F, and then F major 7th, and then C. So I'm playing a 4-fingered F like that. It's just an F with the basic F chord, but this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string on the 3rd fret from the capo, pinky taking over on the 3rd fret on the 4th string, 5 down to 1. But a simple F is fine, and then just lift up that bar, play the F with the toppy string open, F major 7, and back to the C. So very slowly. Quick strum on the C, and then we repeat. Okay, so the whole thing twice. Okay. Okay, and then I start singing. Shadows are falling, just C to F, and I've been here all back to C, and you play that riff again. Okay, so it's shadows are falling, and I've been here all day, and it hangs on that C. It doesn't go straight back into the singing. Okay, you've got to try and get the timing. Listen to the original. Okay, it's quite slow. Okay, so shadows are falling, and I've been here all day. Repeat. And it's too hard to sleep and time is running away. Exactly the same thing twice, and then we go into the next bit. It's a rundown on G, okay? Feel my soul has turned into steel. So that's G. I'm playing the bottom E string, emphasising the bottom E string. So 3rd fret bottom E string on the G, and then you can play the 5th string as well. Okay. Then just take everything off apart from the top E string on the 3rd fret, but play the 1st fret of the bottom E string, and then the 4th string downwards. So you got G. So that's what I'm doing. I'm playing the bottom E string on the G, 4th string, strum, top 3 strings. Then the same thing, but just the top E string on the 3rd fret, pinky, 1st fret bottom E string with the 1st finger, bottom E string, 4th string open, strum the top 3 strings. So you got. Then repeat, keeping the pinky where it is on that top E string 3rd fret, play the bottom E string open, 4th string, bottom E string open, 4th string open, strum the top 3 strings, just like you did with the other 2. So. And then back to the C. Okay, so far from the beginning of the verse, okay. Shadows are falling, I've been here all day. It's too hard to sleep and time is running away. Run down, feels like my soul has turned into steel. Run again. That one again, that little riff that we play all the way through the song. So it's feel like my soul has turned into steel. Then we go to A minor. Still got the G, Charles, and F. Sun didn't see. Here, riff. As usual. So that's G, sorry. Feels like my soul has turned into steel, riff. A minor, still got G scars there. F, Sun didn't, back to C, riff. The G run down again. It's not even room enough to be anywhere, riff. So write that riff again. And then A minor again. It's not dark G now, but it's F, getting C there, riff, intro, F to F major 7. Okay, and that's basically it, boys and girls. Basically it just repeats it again for another verse or 2. Okay, different words obviously, exactly the same chord sequence. So right from the beginning, yeah? Hope you got that. So let's go from the very beginning. So don't rush it, play it slow. It's really slow on the original version, okay? Here we go. Shadows are falling, I've been here all day. Too hard to sleep and time is running away. Feels like my soul has turned into steel. Still got the scars that sun didn't heal. There's not even room enough to be anywhere. It's not dark yet, but it's getting there. go, boys and girls, my simplified version of Not Dark Yet by Bob Dylan. Something sounds like the original, but obviously on a single instrument it's not going to sound quite the same as a full band. But there you have it, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that. Nice little simple ditty for you, or simple-ish. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.